Hey guys, welcome back. Looks like today we will be making some curling rocks. These are kind of a bit of a makeshift design that I've found and researched over the internet and a few other places and kind of put my own spin on them. We'll break it down and show you how we put it together, and hopefully we'll have some fun with them this winter, and we'll show you how they work out. Well guys, there's the final project. As you can see, put it back together. Not super complicated, but took a little engineering to make everything work right, especially with the router on the inside. Make sure everything sits flat. Some tips are to make sure that you've got all these screws drilled through at the same time. So when you cut out your 3/4 inch plywood, put the cake pan down on top of it and drill the holes through, right through the plywood, so you know that they're going to line up when you get to the actual point of putting your screws in there. Some other things to kind of keep note of is don't totally tighten all the threads on your final angle of your handle until it's on there, and then that'll give you and leave it a little bit out of squares. You can still tighten it up just that little bit more, because there's always going to be some variancy on how you put these screws onto the top here. Other than that, we'll see how she works out. We're gonna just wait for some ice to show up on the lake, and then we'll go try them out. So hope you enjoyed it, and if you got any comments, go ahead and put them in there. Otherwise, see you next time. Cheers.